Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. How are you friends? I hope you will be fine and enjoy your life with your family and friends in your home safely. So dear friends, let's go the video. I am back again with most demanding, attractive and most stylish, fantastic stylish collection for hairstyles for boys. Different style, different ideas you can see in front of you one by one. For long faces, circle and different style ideas you can see. So dear friends, you can try this collection. I hope you like this collection, most attractive and amazing collection. Please try this collection, enjoy this video, like this video and share with friends, relatives. So dear friends, please subscribe my channel. When you subscribe, you will get all the notification of my videos. Most attractive, amazing outclass collection you can see in front of you. You can also visit my channel and different style ideas you can see for boys and for girls also, ladies also. You can see also hairstyles, also cutting styles. So please try this collection. Watch this video till the end. So dear friends, now goodbye till the next video. See you soon with a new collection and please remember me in your prayers. Then goodbye.